Hello, this is Mr. Win, and this video is over graphing quadratics. So a letter squared is the identifier for quadratics at power. The shape it makes is called a parabola, which looks like the letter U. All parabolas have a vertex, which is h comma k, and an axis symmetry, which is x equals h. Here's a quick picture. Here's all the important points labeled. It has a y-intercept, two x-intercepts in this case, a vertex, and an axis symmetry, that dotted line that cuts the picture in half. Like before, one strategy graph is to plot points, make a table of points. You get some x values, plug it in, get the y values that go with them, then plot those points. You need a minimum of 3 points. Of those 3, 1 needs to be the vertex, and then 1 on each side of the vertex. Here's the first example. Graph y equals x squared by making a table, then identify the domain range in both notations. So we have 5 x values to plug in here. By plugging the first one, -2 for x, I need parentheses, so there's an exponent next to it. We do -2 all squared. A negative times a negative is positive. I get positive 4. Then I plug in -1. -1 squared is positive 1. I plug in 0. 0 squared is 0. Plug in 1. 1 squared is 1. Plug in 2. 2 squared is 4. So here are my 5 points I'm going to plot. Here they are in the graph. Once you have the points, you're going to make the U shape. So this U is going upwards, and my vertex is at the bottom. For domain, how far left, how far right, it goes from -infinity, +infinity, both open. If you do set notation, you can do -infinity less than x less than infinity, or into all row numbers. For range, it's low to high. The lowest y value is 0, closed. The highest y value is infinity, there's none. No stop to the top. For set notation, you can do 0 less than equal to y less than infinity, or you can just say y greater than equal to 0 to get rid of the infinity part. Remember, for non-infinity parts, if it's first, it's bigger than the first. If it's second, it's less than second, because it's the highest. Here's another example. This one will only do 3 points. I'm going to plug in -4, -2, and 0. This will require more work. So I plug in -4. I have to work on the inside first, parentheses. -4 plus 2 is -2. Then I square -2 get 4. Then I multiply 4 times -3 get -12. Then I add to get -7. Make sure you don't distribute this -3, because there's a parentheses exponent here. I plug in -2, get the same thing. Plug in 0, do the same thing. Once I have 3 numbers, I know my 3 coordinates. I'm going to plot those 3 dots, connect that U shape, and then label my vertex. This picture is upside down. For domain, it's still -infinity, +infinity. You can say all row numbers. For range, it goes down forever, so -infinity all the way up to +7 for the y. For set notation, -infinity less than y less than equal 7, or just better is y is less than equal 7. Because the non-infinity number second is less than second. And that's it. If you have any questions, make sure you ask your teacher. Thanks for watching. Bye.